if the child's nails are big like this, or anybody's nails are big like this person likes to hear a lot. So now you understand, see कैसे होता है, if your child's nails are big and in the evening when he comes from school or she comes from school, you say, बताओ स्कूल में क्या हो गया? नहीं आज ब्रेक मैडम नहीं है, खाना चालू करेगा। और क्या हो गया? नहीं हिस्ट्री सिखाया, खाना चालू करेगा। और क्या होगा? अरे और कितना बोलूं, बताया ना, बाकी कुछ नहीं हुआ। The child does not want to talk, he wants to hear. So what you should be doing is tell stories. आज मेरे दिन में ऐसा हुआ, ये हुआ, वो हुआ. That is going to create a bond between you. Because now you are doing what is nature likes. Okay? On the other hand, this person is not going to like to hear. So let him talk. You ask him one question, he will talk for 10-15 minutes. Getting it? This is what is going to
non-stop. Non-stop.
Yes, non-stop. Okay? Can we go ahead? At the same time, looking at nails like this will help you a lot. If your nails or your child's nails are having this kind of straight lines, the child is under severe stress. Okay? If your child does not have this moon, half moon, or you don't have this half moon, then you have got severe calcium deficiency. Because of the calcium deficiency, he might be having lots of health problems. Because of the health problems, he might be having mood disorders. Because of the mood disorders, he may not be able to study well. And because he doesn't study well, you might be putting him in a class. In actuality, what happens, he doesn't have the energy to go to class. And even if you put him in the class, his marks will keep on going down. The reason is as simple as that. This half moon, right? This half moon has to be there on children's hands.
Everybody is.
Is that normal?
Everybody.
Is that normal?
Having it is normal. Not having it is not normal. Okay? Not having it is a deficiency. So you can see that. Anybody. Doesn't matter.
White spots are deficiency of calcium.
This also, yes. White spot, yes, calcium deficiency. Calcium deficiency can be seen in number of ways. Okay? Breaking of the nails becoming brittle, nails having white spots, so many other things. Yeah? In fact, something like 40 diseases can be seen from nails alone. 40. But here, we are not trying to look for diseases. What we are looking for is strength. What we are looking for is energy. What we are looking for is relationship. Yeah? Here what we are saying is उसके अगर मार्क नीचे जा रहे हैं और उसके वजह से आपको उसमें झगड़ा हो रहा है, अगर ऐसा है तो मार्क्स भी नीचे जा रहे हैं क्योंकि उसमें कैल्शियम डिफिशिएंसी है. बिकॉज उसमें कैल्शियम डिफिशिएंसी है, उसको नींद जल्दी आती है या उसमें एनर्जी नहीं रहती, इसलिए दिमाग अच्छा होते हुए स्टडी नहीं कर पाता, इसलिए मार्क्स कम होते हैं. तो इसमें क्या होगा, इसमें अगर उसको आप क्लास में भी डालेंगे तो कोई नहीं फर्क होगा, उसके मार्क्स नीचे जाते रहेंगे और आपका झगड़ा ही होते रहेगा. ये सब आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं सिर्फ ये देखिए, उसके नाखून देखिए इस तरह का होता है. ये समझना ही सोल्यूशन है. पहले समझना चाहिए आपने को प्रॉब्लम ये है. अभी पहले आपने क्या प्रॉब्लम देखा था कि मार्क्स कम हो रहे हैं, आपको उससे सोल्यूशन क्या लिया, क्लास में भेज दो. अभी मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, अगर मार्क्स कम हो रहा है और ये कारण है उसको खाना पीना अच्छा खिलाओ, कैल्शियम जिसमें ज्यादा है फल खिलाओ. So many other things you can do. See, identification of the problem itself is the most important thing. Most of the times we don't identify the problem, we do something else. Yeah? So identification of the problem is extremely important. In fact, in foreign countries, there is a doctor called an internist, which doesn't exist in India. An internist does not give you any kind of medicine. He only identifies the problem. And then he sends you to the right doctor to take that medicine. इंडिया में वैसा नहीं होता है, क्योंकि हम लोग डायग्नोसिस के पैसे नहीं देते, मेडिसिन के पैसे देते. ठीक है? तो डायग्नोसिस फ्री, मेडिसिन चार्ज. वहां पे डायग्नोसिस कॉस्टली, मेडिसिन फ्री. हाँ, मेडिसिन फ्री और मे बी एट अ लायर प्राइस. नाउ इफ एनी ऑफ दीज थ्री थिंग्स एग्जिस्ट, 1, 2 या 3, दिस इज हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइंस ऑन द नेल्स. दिस इज nails which are very ungainly, unshapely, and this is eater of nails. See, यहाँ पे सब टूटा हो गया है. ये होता है. So there is severe stress that your child is undergoing. Find out what that stress is.
Depression increase.
Possible depression, yes. और आगे कुछ होने के पहले you can find it out. In depression, the person doesn't talk, so he is not likely to communicate with you. You can find out from his friends, his other relatives, your other relatives, or his colleagues, or his very nervous also. Yes, that is what you can find out. कि क्या हो रहा है? Problem समझना is most important. Then the answer will follow. And the last point, we are only telling you 3 points here. There are 35 points which can be seen. But what we are picking up here is something that is very easy to detect just in the shake hand. Now, see if your child is developing any kind of these knots. Knots on the finger. You are seeing these knots here? Everybody is able to see? These are the knots. On children's hand, up to the age of 15, there should not be any knots. And you will see a very, very common factor in most of the cases whereby a child up to the age of 4, up to the standard 4, 5th, 6th standard, the child gets good marks. और छठवीं के बाद उसके मार्क एकदम कम होने लगते हैं. ये time and you don't know what is the reason. You send him for a class or you send him for a tuition. You do some extra work, but the marks don't improve. Some people get good marks, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, they get very low marks. Again, you don't know the reason. That time, you should be seeing there, when you shake hands, just do it like this. What you can do is hold your hand like this and try to feel. If you feel something is heavy here, then it's a knot. Okay? Now, again, the knot can be interpreted very easily. The thumb will not have a knot. Generally, the thumb will not have a knot. So, forget about it. If your child is having a knot on this finger, the little finger, then what it means is he is finding the study to be too difficult. The overall study itself. This especially happens when you talk Hindi or Marathi at home and the school medium is English. The problem that occurs is because he doesn't understand English or because the English is not a general language, he finds understanding all subjects difficult. मैथ्स में और इंग्लिश में मार्क कम है ऐसा नहीं है, सभी सब्जेक्ट्स में मार्क कम है क्योंकि वो टीचर क्या बोलती है वही हमें पता चलता है. So he is finding the overall subject to be too difficult. इसलिए मार्क्स कम हो रहे हैं. Okay? अगर if you are getting a knot on this finger, the ring finger, this is called a ring finger, then what is happening is he is seeing too much of TV, too much of hero worship, too much of identification with Shah Rukh Khan, ये वो all sorts of things. Yeah, too much show. This is what is happening with the child. प्रॉब्लम समझ में आ गया? टीवी कम कर दो, उसके साथ जाओ बाहर जाओ, no exercise maybe, etc. If you are seeing knot on this finger, the middle finger, then the fun part is that the boy is studying very hard. He is very hard working, he is studying very hard, but his method of study is completely wrong. Something is wrong with the method of study. So, अभी अगर method of study, उसकी method of study देखिए क्या है, कैसे करता है. If you come to know that, you will be able to sort out that problem. And if the knot is on this finger, the first finger, your child is thinking of himself as hero and everybody else as villain. मैं शाहरुख खान हूं, बाकी लोगों को मेरी कीमत नहीं है. As simple as that. What that means, he is teaching his teacher how to teach. मेरी टीचर बराबर नहीं सिखाती इसलिए मुझे बात करते हैं.
मेरे को टीचर बनना है. मेरे को टीचर
बनना है. उसका, बाकी लोगों का नहीं, उसका टीचर बनना है. उसको मैं सिखाऊंगा क्या स्टाइल से सिखाया जाता है. This is what is all about. Okay? So when you are shaking hands with the person, you can see all these three things what we are seeing.
The first one, the first finger is round one. First finger.
This one, yeah.
What's the meaning of that?
This one?
Yeah.
This is what the person is thinking of. Bent.
Yeah.
The finger is bent.
Yeah.
What that means is the person doesn't want to become a leader.
Okay.
He is happy to remain a team worker. So don't push him to become a leader. Nowadays everybody says मेरा बच्चा आगे जाना चाहिए, उसका आगे जाने में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. और when you try to push him that way, that leadership becomes a burden for him.